Welcome to our updated guide on how to update the Instagram app on your Android device. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is where you can update your apps to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. 2. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the Play Store. This will allow you to access your account settings. 3. Now, select Manage Apps and Device from the options available. This section lets you manage and update all the apps installed on your device. 4. Look for the section labeled Updates Available. Here, you'll find a list of apps that have new updates available. Locate Instagram in the list and tap on Update next to it to initiate the update process. By following these steps, opening the Play Store, accessing your profile, selecting Manage Apps and Device, and updating Instagram under Updates Available, you can easily keep your Instagram app up to date with the latest enhancements and features. Remember that updating your apps regularly ensures you have access to new features, bug fixes, and security improvements. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in updating your Instagram app seamlessly. Enjoy exploring the updated version of Instagram with all its new additions.